It's a 360 camera.
360 camera? So what are you getting now?
Everything.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Insta360 One X camera. Okay, this is a 5.7K 360 degree and it has 18 megapixel, a flow state stabilization and cinematic slow-mo, invisible selfie stick, bullet timeline, etc, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. So how do we open? Okay, so there's this lid right here. Still struggling. Oh, there are two of them. Seriously, I already struggled with one side. Now I'm gonna struggle with the other side. Okay, great. Ta-da! Look at that baby right there. Oh, that is so cool. It has images. Oh my god, I feel like my nails has been abused. Look at that. That is so freaking small. Oh my god. Like, this is my 7 Plus and this is the 360. Oh my god. You're so cool. I love you. You're my new baby. Okay, this is the very cute DJI Osmo Pocket, and this is the Insta1 360. It's even like, look at that. It's smaller-ish, but of course, like dimension-wise, like, look at that. That is so amazing. Surprised. I'm very surprised. Anyway, moving on to the unboxing. I'm just so shocked. I did not expect this. So I like how there are labels. Like, you can see that this is where the battery is. Check out what's in there. Hello there, battery. And what are you? Oh wow, what is this thing? I don't know what this is. Definitely this is the battery. It's super cute. Gonna put it here so it's at the right. Actually, I don't know where the right and left is. Oh, that's like that's so much fun. How do I do this again? Okay, so there's this pins and then there's pins at the bottom, so I'm just gonna match it up and close it. And the SD card is where? Okay, this is where you charge it. It still has the old USB. This one has the newer version. It's the Type-C. But this one is still the old one. Okay, so if you peel this off, ta-da! At the bottom is your memory card slot and where your tripod is gonna be mounted, or the stick. We've got a cable that says connect to your phone. We've got 3 types of cable. The typical, the USB Type-C, and then we've got for the iPhone. What else? We've got a computer cable, and then our cute little pouch. I still don't know what this is for. Oh, I know. So this is what you connect to your invisible selfie stick that, by the way, you have to separately buy. I didn't buy the bullet thing because I thought this was like the tripod stick, which is $4.95. It's about $20. Is it Wi-Fi? Do I have to always connect it when I want to transfer? Okay, Wi-Fi preview and transfer. Cool, because I don't want to be connecting this to my phone with a cable. Everything is wireless nowadays, so I prefer wireless. I think it can go here. Yeah, okay. Like, what? This is definitely weird. Yes, it's an invisible thread. You can throw this around. I wouldn't trust it, but okay. If you want to like throw it around, okay, fine. I don't know, I think I'm gonna keep this because it's like very bothersome. It's long as well, like, I don't know. I'm not gonna use this for now. I want to make it stand because I don't have a tripod for this thing. So memory card first before attaching the invisible tripod. So we got a free SD card right here. Thank you, AAB World, for this. Claw the SD card out, my friends. Claw it out. Alright. I don't know if we need to activate this just like the DJI Osmo, but I hope not. We got the battery, we've got the stick. I'm so excited. Very excited. You can't bend it or anything. It's just like this. But anyway, we are cool. We're gonna test this out. Alright, let's switch to the Insta360 1X.
It's a 360 camera.
360 camera?
Yeah, it will capture 360 degrees.
What are you capturing now?
Everything. It will capture the 360 degrees.
So what are you trying to capture? Like what?
It will capture everything and then you just frame it after. So
Good. How much is it?
140. But it's good. It's 18 megapixels. And it's 4K.
So like if you stand like this, you can.
And this is invisible. You can't see this. The stick is invisible.
But the camera is this.
The camera is this.
Yeah.
It captures as well. There's two
From
sides.
down and up.
Yeah, everything. And then this.
And you did not capture the stick?
No.
Serious?
You can check in YouTube. It's Insta360 1X. Yeah.
Insta360.
360 1X. Yeah, it's nice.
What are you doing? I thought you're trying to search some gold.
I'm testing it. Yeah.
I like these things, you know.
Me too.
How can I see it? I cannot see it, right?
You can't see, but when you transfer, that's when you see. You can do it on the phone or on the laptop. You can edit.
How can I do it on a phone?
Wireless transfer.
Wireless also?
Yes. Or cable. Up to you.
How can I see it if I want?
No, I don't have my phone.
So that's about it with my interesting encounter while I was testing the Insta360 1X outdoors in low light. So I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think on the comment section below. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified of my future videos.